guys, welcome back to another episode of Horsepower Cartel. Tonight we're headed out to another car meet hosted by yours truly. I just thought, why not start off the season, the new year with the car meet, a night car meet instead of what's up with people cutting me off today? It's the third time. Anyways, a night car meet. We'll be meeting up at the Kamla Mills parking lot, Starbucks, where the last meet was. I taken my Evo there. So yeah, we're on our way now. Ruel's in the other car. He's in the JDM Tiguan, Volkswagen Tiguan, with Nick driving. Ruel's in there, so he's gonna get some nice clips of this car. I needed to get some recent clips of this car, doing some nice flames, some nice exhaust notes as well, a flyby maybe. So yeah, let's get that going, and then we're on our way. So yeah, let's see how the meet goes. A lot of cars pulling up, a lot of special cars, nice cars pulling up. So let's check it out.
So you want to tell them what happened right now?
Yeah, so we were on the C-Link, minding our own business, going the limit, of course. And Santi decided it would be a good idea to do downshift. And
Popping.
And a cop car just happened to be
Pulled
there.
up, like it
He
just pulled up.
He just flashed his lights the minute he downshifted.
We saw the flame and then we saw the cop car at the back.
And I was like, yo, Orwell, get your camera inside.
Yeah.
Don't want to get in trouble now.
Right after the last shot, we saw.
We're pulling into the meet now.
Hoping to be a good turnout today. Let's see.
Pray
I don't
to
know
God.
what it's going to be like, but
I don't hope it's just one kind of car. You know what kind of car.
I don't know what you're talking about. You
No
should
one
go.
knows.
It's green.
I should go.
Okay, we'll see you at the meet now.
Just pulled up to the car meet. I had a little incident, which Ruel's probably explaining to you guys. We just got to the car meet. A lot of people here. Thanks for showing up, guys. So let's check out some cool cars. Got my boy Vivon over there in the stage 3 making some noise. Let's go. We're here at the meet. I told you we couldn't get a. We couldn't get. Anyways, we couldn't get a video of you guys pulling in, but
Because of VIP movement, we got
VIP
late.
movement, and some things went down. I had to get away from the authorities in Mexico. We're here now. A lot of cars pulled up. A lot of people popping and banging, making some noise, having a good time. Charles Leclerc decided to come as well. Guys, get Charles Leclerc. Ferrari, Team Ferrari, but drives a BMW. See, that's how you know BMW is nice. Even Charles Leclerc drives one. And the best photographers leading. Ariel, bye. There's some people popping off over there. So yeah, let's see what our other cars are gonna pull up.
पीछे आ गया.
Go for it. What the f? Oh my god. So guys, that concludes our crazy meetup. Thanks for everyone who came, showed their support. A lot of you come up and say hi and stuff, and a lot of you are subscribers. I really appreciate it when you guys come out. So yeah, man, thanks for coming out. Crazy meet, as you saw. Things went 0 to 100 real quick, and yeah, many more to come. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys soon. Like, subscribe, and share.
Macarena.